This video is sponsored by MobileTrans. Have you ever noticed how hard it is to transfer data from your computer to your iPhone or from your iPhone to your computer? Or if you want to switch devices and you have an older device, sometimes it will be complicated and very slow. But MobileTrans will do all that for you very fast and very easy. With MobileTrans, you can back up your data to your computer, and what's really cool is that you can select which types of data you want to back up. You can also transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to another iPhone, or of course to your Android device. It even works with WhatsApp Business, and you can even transfer GB WhatsApp to WhatsApp, and it works flawlessly. With MobileTrans, of course, you're ensured for your privacy and data security. Users are the only ones that can access their data on their devices, and of course, it doesn't retain any data without permission. MobileTrans allows us to transfer up to 18 types of different files. That includes, of course, applications, messages, photos, and contacts. Whether you're using iPhone or Android, you can retrieve your data on your device and even import them or back them up. So all of that into one application. Again, backup, transfer, move data, anything you want. So make sure you go ahead and give it a try by checking the link to MobileTrans right down below in the description of this video. Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some of the best automations you can create on your Shortcuts app on iOS 17. And we're starting with one of my favorites, which allows you to change the wallpaper on your device, change the lock screen that you use based on different locations or time of the day. So we tap on new automation right here, and you can choose here what you want to do. Maybe time of the day, and maybe when you arrive somewhere or you leave your home. Just pick anything you want here. So let's go for this time. Let's go with time of the day here. We can pick a certain clock. Of course, choose run immediately so you don't have to confirm anything. You tap next right here, tap on new blank automation, and search here for wallpaper. And then you will get this right here. Switch between wallpapers. Tap right there, and it will show you a list of all the wallpapers, all the lock screens that you have created on your device. So I can select this right here, tap the done button, and now it will switch to the wallpaper 2 every day at this time that I have set right here. Just tap on done and you're good to go. Now on the daily usage of our iPhone, of course, when we arrive home, we probably have cellular data turned on, and then we have the home Wi-Fi. And of course, having cellular data turned on without even needing to use it, it will probably consume a ton of battery, because if you just have a moment where the Wi-Fi is a bit weaker, it will try to switch to LTE or 5G, whatever you have. That way, of course, just consuming battery on your iPhone. But what you can do with automations is that you can disable your cellular data automatically when you arrive home. So you will have right here the location, so tap right here arrive, and of course you choose the location of your home here, and then all you have to do is tap next and then search for cellular data, and then you have here toggle cellular plan, and just make sure you tap right there, turn off, choose the plan of course, and once you have chosen your plan right there, just tap the done button and you're good to go. Now your cellular data turns off automatically when you arrive at home. Now maybe you want to do the same, but in reverse. When you leave home, you don't want to have your Wi-Fi turned on, because of course along the way there will be a ton of Wi-Fi connections. It will try to maybe connect to one of them, that way just consuming battery on your iPhone, or just even connecting. Maybe if you have previously connected to Wi-Fi that's not secured, it will connect again automatically without you even knowing it. So what you can do, tap the plus button and then tap on leave. You choose the location of your home here, and then tap the run immediately button, of course, tap on next, and then search here for Wi-Fi, and here we'll get set Wi-Fi, so you tap right there, and of course switch it to off right here, and tap the done button and you're good to go. Now every time you leave your house, your Wi-Fi turns off automatically. Another really cool thing you can do with automations on iOS 17 is that you can enable certain focus modes on certain places. So let's say you have like a work focus mode that you have created for when you're at work. All you have to do is just tap here when arrive. You choose the location of your work, of course, and then tap on run immediately, and then search here for focus, they will have a set focus, and of course you can just tap where it says do not disturb, which is the default one, and of course choose one of your focus modes right here. So you can choose any one you want and tap here on until it's off, or if you tap right there, you can set until I leave, so once you leave it will automatically turn off automatically. Now, one thing when you're at work or you're at school is that a lot of times you will probably have your iPhone on ring mode and forget to put it on the silent mode. Well, with automations, you no longer will need to remember that, because you can set it to turn on silent mode on different times of the day or maybe on different locations. So if I tap the plus button, I know that I will be at work at 8 a.m. All I have to do here is just choose, of course, 8 here, and then I can just turn on silent mode automatically. Of course, run immediately here, tap the next button, search for silent mode. Then we have silent mode. Of course, you leave it on like that, tap the done button, and you're good to go. These days, when we go to sleep, most of the times we will have our iPhone very close to us, and there are the connections, the Wi-Fi connection, cellular data, and Bluetooth as well. So you don't want to have those enabled while you're sleeping and you have your iPhone close to you. What you want to do is turn them off. You can make that to turn off automatically every night at a certain time that you set. So let's say you go to sleep at around 11 p.m. You can choose about that time, and then your iPhone will turn off all those connections automatically. So here I can choose 11:20, tap on run immediately, tap the next button. Search here for Bluetooth. So here we have set Bluetooth, and then tap it to turn it off right there, and then tap here and search for Wi-Fi. Do the same with Wi-Fi as well. Set Wi-Fi, tap on off, and then you have cellular plans, so you can search for cellular data. Then we have toggle cellular plan. Make sure to tap it on off right there, choose your plan here, and now you're good to go. You tap the done button and all of these connections will be turned off automatically at the time that you have set. Now, whenever you run an app on your device, you might want to have the volume all the way down. Let's say you have an app where you don't want any sounds to be heard from that app, you want it to just automatically turn off the volume of the device. Just tap the plus button right here and then go for app, so choose app here and pick run immediately, then choose the app right here. So let's say we want to do this app, tap the done button, tap on next, and then on blank automation here, search for set volume. Then we have set volume. It will show you the 50% right there. Just slide all the way here to 0%, tap done, and you're good to go. Now we can do something similar, but with orientation lock. So let's say that we want to have an app with orientation lock enabled all the time. Well, you can do that pretty easily and have orientation lock work automatically for you. So what we can do here is choose again the app, run immediately, choose the app we want to use, and here tap on the done button, tap next. So search for set orientation. Then we have set orientation lock, and here just tap on turn and click on right here, and you're good to go. Every time you open that app, it will automatically turn on orientation lock. Now you can do another one which will work, of course, with this one. Besides this one, just tap right there and tap the app here and then choose when it's closed. So now you can choose toggle orientation, but choose it off, so every time you close that app, it also automatically turns off orientation lock. Now, if you use your iPhone with CarPlay, this will be a very useful automation. So tap the plus button right there and you will get the CarPlay option right here. Tap on run immediately, tap next. And then right here you can just choose play music. Then we have play music, you tap on it and now it gives you the ability here to pick your playlist. So I can go here, I can pick an album or maybe a playlist. So I just want to do this playlist. Tap the plus button right there and I'm good to go. Every time now I just connect my iPhone to my CarPlay, it will automatically start playing this playlist. And last but not least is gaming. So whenever you're gaming on your iPhone, some games actually have a feature where you have to swipe up twice to get out of the game, but some don't. So you accidentally might just get out of your game. So what you want to do there is tap the plus button, and if you have a focus mode that you have created for your gaming, then you will find it, of course, here. Simply just go here to focus and you will have your focus modes. Here I have my gaming one. Now I can tap on this and tap run immediately and choose here when turning on. So whenever I turn on my focus mode for gaming, I can just enable guided access simply by searching it here. Then we have start guided access. Tap on the done button, which means that every time I start gaming, it will also lock the screen of my device to that app and I won't be able to actually accidentally get out of the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, of course subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.